rice and peas, chunks, fully dish. Still have more remaining in our pot. A lot. So you know the time. Time to eat, right? Yes. And thank you guys all for your support, your love and your support, I swear. Really appreciate it. I have a meal and I'm still so. Alright, viewers. Can you see on the menu today? Peas in a pot, coconut. You can see some rice and peas on the menu today. And some veggie chunks. See that? Yes, sir. I get things prepared. Slowly but surely, you know. Wash the peas. Season it up with the necessary seasoning. Yeah. Hot pepper, ginger, peppermint, and all these things. Fire, catching up slowly but surely also. See that? So everything connect. Everything alright. Right one time. Wash the peas, season it up, set on it. Salt out the coconut. Just like that. You see me? Take you all through process. You see how I deal with it. Yes, sir. Alright, viewers, as you can see, peas set down, season up, garlic, pimento. You see my thyme and ginger. Hot pepper also. As you can see, guys, coconut ready for grater for the rice and peas. Swear to you. See that? Rice, chunks, trouble. Get the thing shot out, you know. You go. See that? Coconut grater to the rice and peas. Yes, sir. Bar is here at work. Joke out here. Alright, viewers, see it? Coconut. Great, alright? Yes, sir. Peas cook also. Peas fully pressure. See me? Add my milk. See that? right here. See that? Ready for going up pot. Coconut milk to the peas. Right, this. See that, viewers? Milk in a pot. Peas already pressure. So I season it once more again. I'm going to make the coconut milk cook right and proper. And then from there, show the rest of the process, right? Trouble. Coconut milk a bubble up. Cooking slowly but surely. Ice right here, I make a preparation. Also I make a preparation for the veggie chunks. See that? Trouble out here. If you tell about this menu here, but nice. Coconut milk cook, viewers. So I'm gonna go wash the rice right at this present moment. Drop it in. See the rice. Alright, see the rice fully washed. See that? Inside. Trouble. See that? Rice inside, so expectation of to put some more seasoning in it. Scallion and thyme, garlic, make it simmer down and cook right and proper. Straight up. See the viewers? Add scallion and thyme once more, garlic. You see the add pepper. Simmer. Smell nice fragrance will come out of that. Cover it down now and just do the right. Rice and peas. Trouble. Alright, viewers, see it here. See it? Chunks, veggie chunks, warm water. This side we want to deal with it, right? So we have to add it to some warm water. Use half-five chunks. The warm water it will swell up. Go and soak, you know? 5 around 10 minutes, you understand? You have soya sauce, you can just add a little in it, yeah? See it? Add a little soya sauce and stir it, you see me? Stir it right there, so. Go and soak, so I go and prepare seasoning them also. I'm going to make the chunks go and soak a bit. Rice still a cook. Yeah? Rice and peas. Getting there slowly but surely, viewers. You see me? Trouble out here, huh? Alright, set on the alfie chunks. Seasoning preparation slowly but surely. Seasoning. Seasoning from the chunks. Right here. And right here. Remember, so we did put the chunks to soak and some warm water. This is how it comes out. And a lot. That's why I'm use half of it, because it swell up. Normally once you throw water on it, it's going to just swell up, so you have to just be careful. More vegetable to add to it. Yes sir. So we are doing the chunks out here today. Rice and peas already long, as you can see so far. So sort out the chunks and finish up now. So that. Yes, sir. Add little Maggi all purpose. So you can see. Cover down. Alright viewers, see there? Chunks in a pot. Vegetable on top. See that viewers? Adding some Grace tomato ketchup, shovel out here, veggie chunks ready. See all of my vegetable in it. Yes sir, vegan style. Vegan style, that's it. Carrot, Irish, cauliflower, okra. Everything. Alright viewers, see there? Chunks complete, ready for dish and eat. See it? Chunks, rice and peas. Trouble out here today now viewers. And if you tell them about this, so I got dish it now. Full jar it. Make you see end the night as well. Alright viewers, see that? Veggie chunks complete. Rice and peas chunks fully dish. Still have more remaining in our pot. A lot. So you know the time. Time to eat, right? Yes. And thank you guys all for your support, your love and your support, I swear. Really appreciate it. I got have a meal now still, so all full jar there. All the best, right? Love to you one and all. Trouble. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it if you haven't as yet.